Hello, everyone. Welcome and thanks for attending our webinar, Composite Matting in Action, Real-World Solutions Across Various Industries. My name is Marissa Davis. I'm Marketing and Communications Manager here at NPK, and I will be facilitating today's presentation. The host of today's presentation, NPK, provides temporary access roads and worksite pads to facilitate work in challenging terrains. NPK is the only site access solutions partner to manufacture and rent industry-leading sustainable composite matting, along with a full suite of services, including planning, logistics, and remediation, so you can protect your people, the environment, and your bottom line. To learn more about our products and services, please visit our website at www.npki.com. All right, now let me introduce you to our presenter today. Tanmay Tatu is our technical service engineer and works out of our Karen Curl, Louisiana facility. He's earned both a Bachelor of Engineering with a focus in chemical engineering from the University of Mumbai, as well as a Master of Science in Engineering from the University of Tulsa. In his role, Tanmay provides technical support to customers and provides recommendations regarding the effective utilization of composite mats in project operations, and he is our subject matter expert for all things Durabase. Again, thanks for joining us, and with that, I'll turn it over to you, Tanmay.
Thank you, Marissa, for the introduction. Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining in today's webinar on choosing the right temporary access for your next project, where we'll be exploring specific real-field examples where the use of composite mats has proven to be more effective and beneficial than other alternatives. Our agenda for today's presentation includes the following topics. We'll begin with a brief introduction to composite matting, looking into what it is and what is it used for. After that, we'll focus on a few real-life applications where composite mats outperform its alternatives and present several case studies and project scenarios. Composite mats are made using high-density polyethylene and a blend of materials and hence has composite in its name. They are reliable in protecting the underlying terrain, supporting heavy equipment, and ensuring safe and efficient operations in challenging work environments. These mats are designed for versatility and can be used as portable and durable surfaces to create temporary worksite pads, access roadways, or overall ground protection, and provide the stability and support required to ensure safe and efficient operations. Given the versatility of composite matting, it can be used in many industries for many different types of operations. Anywhere that needs to protect the natural ground or create a vehicle path, composite matting can be used. Not only is it safe for heavy equipment, but workers can easily walk and work from atop the system as well. Composite mats have superior load distribution capabilities and can handle the operation of heavy cranes, trucks, and other vehicles conveniently and without any compaction or rutting of the soil subsurface. One of the key standout features of composite ground protection mats is the mat-to-mat connection using a unique locking pin mechanism. This locking pin mechanism allows the mats to interlock seamlessly, creating a continuous and stable work surface. This design not only simplifies the installation but also ensures that the mats remain securely in place even under heavy loads and in adverse conditions. Composite mats have an estimated impressive average lifespan of about 10 to 15 years, and this longevity translates into cost savings over time. As you can see, composite matting is being used in various different industries, including but not limited to utilities, general construction, oil and gas, pipeline, and even industries, all with the same goal of protecting the ground, creating a subsurface to be traveled on, and maintaining a stable and safe foundation for workers and personnel operations. Now let's take a look into practical real-world examples of projects where opting for composite mats proves not just advisable but essential over other alternatives. Choosing the right type of matting is an important decision to ensure the safe and smooth completion of your project and the choice is dependent on various factors such as cost and budget, environmental impact, compatibility with surroundings and soil, installation and ease of maintenance, operational and personnel safety, etc. The examples that will be mentioned upcoming are quite commonly experienced in projects and help compare how using composite mats is preferable over other alternatives based on the previously mentioned factors. The first example is of projects that require ground protection when vehicles or equipment are operating on the ground. To better understand, please refer to the images shown. In the first image, the subsurface is a football field and it is crucial to not damage the even grass. As seen from the image, there are heavy cranes, trucks, and equipment stacked on the mats that are laid down on the soft grass without disturbing or damaging the grass integrity. Composite mats are ideal for projects involving protecting the subsurface when heavy machinery is operating on them. Unlike alternatives, composite mats are lightweight and not bulky, yet are still durable and have a high weight bearing capacity. These factors help in preservation of underlying terrain integrity. The simple installation and removal process of composite mats is quick and safe with minimum disturbance to the underlying terrain. The second image is a transmission and distribution utility line project in an interior forest area with wetland type soil. Composite mats surpass its alternatives in projects in wildlife preservation areas with endangered species and strict soil restrictions. They provide a non-invasive and eco-friendly matting solution. Their design minimizes the soil disturbance, preserving the delicate flora and fauna habitats. With chemical resistance, they prevent harmful substances to leach into the soil and help maintain the ecosystem balance as well. Composite mats are easily removable and reusable, ensuring sustainable practices without lasting environmental damage, making them ideal for such sensitive wildlife areas. Retrieving the heavier alternatives after completion of projects from such areas may be damaging to the environment since the mats may get stuck in the soil due to their heavy weight. Moving ahead, the second example is of public events that require a safe and stable access for human activity. Composite mats offer distinct advantages over other alternatives in projects involving human activity and pedestrian traffic. Composite mats are designed with features such as anti-slip surfaces and interlocking systems, providing better traction and stability for pedestrians. Additionally, composite mats are typically lighter in weight and easier to handle than their heavier alternatives, making installation and removal more efficient, thus minimizing disruption to pedestrian areas. Other matting alternatives may have connections using steel bolts or nails with the risk of each connected panels to slide against each other. Taking a look at the images, the first image is a public music festival event where pedestrian traffic is expected on the composite mats, and it is important to ensure a smooth surface for the people traveling on top. The second image is a school field where composite mats are being used as parking for cars and will have light vehicular load and humans accessing on top of the mats. Presence of any gaps or bolts or nails increases the risk of sliding against each other and poses a threat to the safety of the people and the vehicles. To avoid such unnecessary risks, composite mats are chosen for the job. Overall, composite mats form a smooth surface, eliminating any tripping hazards and splintering risks associated with alternatives to offer a safer, more durable, and user-friendly solution for projects involving human activity and pedestrian traffic. Next example is of projects with a larger area to be matted that require a significantly large quantity of mats to cover the required area. Composite mats present a favorable choice compared to the heavier mat alternatives in projects where a large quantity of mats is required, potentially making trucking costs a significant expense. Composite mats are typically lighter in weight compared to its alternatives. This difference in weight translates to reduced transportation costs as more mats can be loaded onto a single truck, thereby minimizing the number of trips required. Additionally, the design of composite mats allows for efficient stacking and storage, further optimizing the transportation logistics and reducing overall trucking expenses. In both the images, as you can see, the area to be matted is quite large and thus the project sites require a very high number of mats. Being lighter in weight, it will take less number of trucks and trips to transport equal quantity of composite mats as compared to the same quantity of its heavier matting alternative varieties. Therefore, composite matting proves to be a cost-effective solution for projects necessitating a large quantity of mats, helping to mitigate the financial burden associated with the trucking and fuel. Lastly, for projects involving chemical or oil spills that require matting that does not get stained or degrade, composite mats offer significant advantages over other alternatives in projects involving the spillage of chemicals and requiring a safe cleanup post-work to maintain the performance and integrity of the mats. Composite mats are made out of high-density polyethylene and are resistant to chemicals, oils, and other substances commonly found in industrial settings. This resistance minimizes the risk of damage to the mats and ensures their longevity even in the event of spills. Additionally, composite mats are easy to clean and maintain thanks to their smooth surfaces and non-porous materials. Unlike its alternatives, some of which may absorb the spills and become stained or damaged, composite mats can be quickly and effectively cleaned using standard cleaning methods, retaining their performance and their integrity. Moreover, the interlocking mechanism of composite mats facilitates easy removal and replacement of any damaged sections, further enhancing their durability and ensuring continuous protection in spill-prone environments. Therefore, composite mats provide a reliable and practical solution for projects requiring a spill cleanup and the preservation of mat performance and integrity. This concludes our today's webinar, and I hope all the listeners have had some useful takeaways. To summarize everything, composite mats are favored over other alternatives for various projects due to their superior performance and environmental benefits. They offer excellent protection for subsurfaces under heavy machinery. In wildlife preservation areas, they prevent contamination and safeguard the endangered species. Their stable, continuous surfaces enhances safety for humans and pedestrian traffic. Their lighter weight reduces the transportation costs, especially for large-scale projects. They are easy to clean and maintain after chemical spills, ensuring durability and integrity of the mats. Additionally, they provide safe and stable access for sites with high vehicular traffic. Composite mats are a greener and more sustainable choice when it comes to creating a safe and reliable ground support in the most challenging environments for the success of your projects. Composite mats are made from 100% recyclable high-density polyethylene resin, lasting 12 years or more on an average with proper usage and maintenance, and are completely recyclable, minimizing the waste. Their lighter weight and higher transport efficiency reduces the transportation miles, fuel consumption, and emissions. Additionally, composite mats have significantly lower carbon dioxide emissions throughout their life cycle due to their longevity and recyclability.
Thank you, Tanmay, and to all of you for joining. We hope you found the presentation insightful today. If you have any further questions or would just like to learn more about how composite mats can help with your upcoming projects, feel free to reach out to Tanmay directly. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.